Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you have the Windows XP taskbar files or a compatible theme pack ready, and you make a restore point because changes touch system UI. Once done, back up current taskbar settings so you can revert. Then run the installer or patch as administrator. This grants the changes needed. Make sure to accept prompts and note any pre-flight warnings. This immediate setup prevents later permission problems and starts the transformation without delay. You now copy the XP taskbar files into the correct system folder or point the installer to its workspace. Doing this ensures the theme engine finds assets. Once the patch runs, enable Classic Start and set icon size options as available. These affect layout and legibility. Then open taskbar properties to set position, auto-hide, and opacity so the bar matches XP behavior. If the Visual Style engine asks for a system file replacement, accept when you understand the change and continue to apply the look. You finish by restarting Explorer, EXE, or rebooting so all visual changes take effect. This step locks in the taskbar behavior. Once restarted, verify pinned icons, start menu behavior, and notification area items to confirm everything works. If icons glitch or layout is wrong, reapply the theme or restore your backed up taskbar settings. This fixes most issues. If the system becomes unstable, use the restore point you made earlier to revert to the previous state and avoid further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.